You can easily learn 4 to 5 letters of Tulu scripts daily with the help of the languages you are familiar with.
A, A, I, E.
Please do like, comment and share this video to all. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.